Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to AirPlay onto your Hisense TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have photos on your iPhone which you want to go ahead and display on your Hisense TV. How do you actually go ahead and AirPlay it? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first thing that you need to do is that you need to make sure that the device that you're trying to AirPlay from is connected to the same Wi-Fi as your Hisense TV. Now, once both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi, you could actually go ahead and go into Quick Settings, then click on All Settings, and then from here, scroll down to where it says System, and then scroll down to where it says Apple AirPlay and HomeKit. So what this is going to do is that it's going to launch AirPlay so that you can AirPlay from your device onto your Hisense TV. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and AirPlay from your Apple device to your Hisense TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.